Fresh, whole vegetables and fruits are loaded with a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help our bodies burn fat, increase muscle mass, and speed up muscle recovery. The fat burner. Apple-grapefruit juice. Grapefruit has long been known as a diet food and fat burner, which is why it's one of the few allowed foods on most diets. Research has found that grapefruit lowers our body's insulin levels, which prevents the body from storing carbs as fat. As a result, it also helps to curb appetite. This refreshing apple grapefruit juice can be consumed throughout the day. Ingredients: 1 sweet apple, 1 large grapefruit peeled, 6 to 7 mint leaves, and 2 celery sticks. Wash all ingredients thoroughly, cut into small chunks, and process in a juicer. Enjoy fresh with a gobble of ice cubes. Serves 1. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And be sure to check out our other videos.